To operate the Elite pressure gate, the last stage of installation is to remove the cable tie. So just with a pair of scissors, a quick snip of that, and then the cable tie will pull through from the other side. To open the gate, you have to perform two actions. This is a double locking mechanism, therefore making it extra safe. So first of all, you need to push the button and then slightly raise the gate. This will release the gate from its fittings, and then you can open the gate. The Elite pressure gate is an auto close gate, so if you let the gate go, it will automatically lock back into place. The Elite pressure gate also has a stay open feature. Now this means when you open the gate with the push and lift, if you just open the gate round past 90 degrees, it activates the stop start system and the gate will remain open. Then as soon as you push the gate past the 90-degree point, it will automatically close and become safe again. Now, the other excellent feature that the Elite pressure gate has is a one-way opening lock-in mechanism. Now, if you turn this side of the gate around to here, it means the gate will open away from you, but it will not open towards you, but it will still auto close into position. And then if you have the gate fixed the other way with the one-way mechanism here, it means that the gate will be able to open towards you, but you won't be able to open past this point.